I think the first thing you can do to prevent foot and ankle pain and problems is maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. You don't have to be your fighting weight, you don't have to be the fittest you've ever been, but goal number one is keep moving and keep your mobility and your flexibility and your strength as best you can, because the minute we stop moving, we start losing strength, we start getting stiff, and then injuries happen. The second thing I would say is that, and it sounds really silly, but stretch your calves. Your calves are a really powerful muscle and they pull your foot down and they can lead to pressure in different areas. They can lead to sores, ulcerations, and even some ligament imbalance. So if that's something you can add to your routine, brush your teeth, stretch your calves, you'll do a lot better. One common misconception is that everyone needs arch supports or custom orthotics to go in their shoes to make them fit better, feel better, and to keep their feet healthy, and that's simply not true. Most people do not need an arch support. Most people have a pretty good arch, and that's the way the foot is designed to function. The arch supports that may be sold in the stores down the street can cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and it's a waste of money. And unfortunately, once the bill's been paid, there's no going back. So it's much better to be evaluated by a foot and ankle surgeon before spending that type of money on something you may not need at all. I think in terms of preventing foot and ankle problems, it's all about balance. So if you love your fancy shoes, you love your heels, wear them sometimes, come home, let your feet recover. Wear a recovery slide, a sandal, or no shoes at all. I also think going barefoot or in shoes is another thing that you can balance. If you're barefoot, your foot's working harder. That's good, it makes it strong. But if you do that too much, you may end up with calluses, sores, blisters, those sorts of things.